Imagine a world where transferring money between the United States and India is as easy as sending a text message. A world where payments are instant, seamless, and borderless. This vision might soon become a reality as the United States Bank explore linking with India's groundbreaking UPI. You're watching TimesXP and I'm Triti Atri. So on August 28, Christopher Waller, a member of the Federal Reserve Board of Governors in the United States, made a statement. Well, that's more of a suggestion. During his speech at the Global Fintech Fest in Mumbai, he hinted at a possible collaboration between the United States and India that could change the way that people make payments across the border. The idea revolves around the connecting some United States private bank with India's UPI. For those who are unfamiliar, then UPI is a revolutionary digital platform. It was developed by the National Payment Corporation of India. Now, since its launch in 2016, UPI has transformed many money moves in India. With just a few taps on the mobile phones, users can transfer money between two bank accounts, and that too instantly and at a low cost. The system has grown rapidly, now connecting over 300 banks and handling more than 10 billion transactions every month, with total monthly transactions that are valued exceeding 15 trillion rupees. Waller was really clear and he was impressed by UPI's success. He spent several hours at the NPCI headquarters learning how this system has been built and how it operates. He praised India's digital payment revolution, attributing much of its success to the strong partnership between the public and the private sector. This collaboration has not only made digital payments accessible to many of the people, but it has also promoted financial inclusivity at a low cost. However, Waller pointed out a challenge that the United States is currently facing. Unlike India, the US doesn't have enough banks that are connected to create a full service that are fast payment networks. The reason for this is strict compliance and risk management that are required, designed to prevent the fraud, money laundering, and other financial crimes. Slowing down payment processing helps banks detect and prevent these particular issues. But it also creates friction in the system. Now, to overcome these challenges, Waller actually suggested that the United States could explore the option of connecting some of its private banks with India's UPI. He acknowledged that it wouldn't be as easy task. While the technology to link the two systems is available, there are bigger hurdles to overcome, such as legal, regulatory, and governance issues. Linking technology is easiest part, and that's what Waller said, and he emphasized that the real challenges lies in addressing these complex considerations. Waller also touched on the broader vision for the future of cross-border payments. He mentioned that G20 has a roadmap to address the challenges in the cross-border payment, and it also emphasized the global payment system. He suggested that by connecting payment systems across the countries, banks could send payments to each other and that would be more efficient. But again, while the technical connections are feasible, the real challenge will be ensuring that all parties adhere to the necessary local and compliance framework. In summary, Waller commented at the Global Fintech Fest, highlighting a potential future where the United States could collaborate with India to improve its fast payment system by learning from UPI's success. For more such information, do follow TimesXP.